Good day, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Hey in Arts. Njengoba sathi ke babukeli ukuthi this is a podcast whereby you have a sit down with women who are dedicated in shaping the music industry through their creativity as well as their talents. Namuhla ke na angihambi ngefa ngihamba na Luyanda Mota, who is an uprising gospel artist. Luyanda, how are you today?
I'm good to see how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Siyajabula kuba nawe namuhla. Do you mind telling us ukuthi Luyanda ngubani kahle kahle? Kuba mfla bacala konje kuva ngaLuyanda ngubani Luyanda?
Well, ligama lami, as Sisi has already introduced me, ligama lami ngingiluyanda ngwakamotha Sibongo. Ngekuhlala ngihlala endaweni yakuBoyane. I stay with my parents and my siblings.
Oh, okay, Luyanda. So uhlala nebatali as well as your siblings. So sicela kwathi nje ukuthi uwesingaphi wena ekhaya kahle kahle?
Well, ekhaya meaning was 5. I live in a family of 6 children, meaning it was 5. Yeah.
Okay, so that is all we have to know ngaLuyanda nje kahle kahle. Singajabula nje kwathi ukuthi apart from music, what else do you do?
Well, there isn't much that I do, as of yet, but ngumuntu who has a lot of dreams and who is still yet to pursue all of them. Music is proof that I definitely will reach the heights I am hoping for, because I've already started with the gospel industry. But more than anything else, I am Sisilo Seta Kalak Phones. I'm still yet to go to tertiary this upcoming month, which is August. Yeah.
Okay, Luyanda. Sesivile ke ukuthi Luyanda ukhana satoqala ke tertiary, she's an upcoming gospel artist. Luyanda ngicela kwathi ukuthi yini le kwente wafika to this point whereby you felt like, no, let me take this music thing seriously. Ngiqale nje nginake wona music. Yini le kwente ukuthi ugcina ufike lapho?
Well, more than anything, I think it was a calling. It was a calling because akuvelanga kwaba yimvo nje le divelela etuli tendakalele. There were situations that pushed me into that corner where I impo ngingakayiplani, but I kept finding myself sengikiyo because ngilizayoni. But I kept being exposed to gospel industry where I think ne pamphla paning bayade ukuthi emazayoni thine singathini emazayoni ane music wow, just like nalabanye
bane music
wow. But for some reason, I kept finding myself in these situations where I kept getting exposed until I then decided to take this whole thing serious. It could be possible that this is my calling, this is what I am meant to do, this is what I am supposed to do.
Okay.
This is how I'm meant to serve God and to, work for Him through this whole music thing.
Okay, Luyanda, ngiyakuva ukhuluma ngeke ukuthi there were some situations that forced you ukuthi ugcine pursue this music career. Ngabe ngimaphi lawo ma situations lawo lende ukuthi ugcine uqhubekile nabo?
Well, the situations bekafaka ekhathi ngokuthi, well, to just brief you up, it all started with a TikTok video that happened to have a lot of impact at impilweni tibantu. I kept getting DMs, getting phone calls, encouragements from people. Whatever you are doing, just know that it is not you who's doing that. God has called you into something. And nase kwafika to a position where nase kaya kwase kuya patali bevangazuthi vele yati kuhlabela has always been your thing, Sisi, even from a young age. I've always loved singing, though I never thought that it would take me here. I just thought that I would sing at church, for Sunday school, at school, and all of that. But with this kind of situations where Bamfo would recommend videos, people would be like, SSC, I was going through a situation, le father ekati, logo na deep situations, but when you sang that song, it doesn't matter what's happening right now. And ukhonela mini. yabo.
Okay.
So ngiloko ke lokwenda ukuthi you know what angisogodla into lenginiketwe nguSimakade to help other people.
Okay.
Uyabona?
So basically uthi that music video, that one music video nje lo wayiposta ka TikTok ngiyo le kwende wafika la ukhona khona to a point whereby uqale wahilisha abamvu etinkingeni lababhekene nato ngayo nje leyo video leyo.
Yeah, ibese yang encourage to do more.
Okay.
Because then it wasn't me who decided to do that, but Bantu kept asking for more. And banging bani
ukuthi ungala naleli
Yes,
sicubo uNkulunkulu la kuphelona.
yes.
Okay, Luyanda, thank you so much for that. I think nebamfu bayabona ukuthi ke through whatever you do, anything that you do, bamfu can benefit from that. Maybe it's that music video, that sermon, whatever it is, bamfu bayakhona ku benefita konke lokho. So Luyanda, ngicela kubuta ukuthi as you are a female with the music sector, ngicela kubuta ukuthi are there any challenges loke wahlangana nawo nje na wena as a female artist?
Yes, there've been a lot of challenges. Challenges la faka ekhathi limited resources. You know, kuba nema situations where you are invited to go minister at an event. And for you to go there, you need to look good.
Yeah.
You need to go there ubukeka because you awuyilaphana just for anything else. You're going there to represent Christ.
Yeah.
And as you know, cleanliness is next to godliness.
Okay.
Kwamele laphana ufike nawe utiqhenya kokuthi even when you see that video by Postile, you're proud ukuthi that is me. Uyabo. So most of the time you find that we get those bookings, but there's no income, like there's no, not necessarily because we're expecting income from all of that, but for you to look good, you need money. We can do it all, but to do it all, we need
You
money.
need money.
So limited resources, and also I think like any other artist, I've had to deal with my moments of doubting myself. You know, when you get to a show and Gulaphana, there are people, recognized people, my artists lamakhulu kakhulu. I will put in an example. Earlier, May, I had to go minister laphayana go Mother of All Gospel
Yes.
show. Mind you, there are legends, people we look up to. Yabo. So when you go there, the moments where you doubt yourself, but hey, like, am I really going to hold the same mics in Ndombela I was holding? How, like, bamfu batong tata kanjani? Are people going to like accept me? Ban batau jabula yini? Kuningi nje. You get to a point where you're like, ish, kisha angihlabele kanjani? So I've had to deal with that. I've had to deal with sometimes feeling like I'm being criticized because it's not everyone who's enough to understand that we may go to different churches, we may wear different uniforms to church, but munye. So there are people in other situations, so there's a specific show apparently whenever I go to minister because
that's how you want to identify yourself.
Yes,
okay.
So and when you get there, people have different mindsets. Okay, people have information they are from different sources and all of that. And when they get there, so I've heard too, even when I felt criticized, I had to like still hold in a buso lobu confident, regardless of the situations around me. So yeah, I think those are the kind of hardships I've had to go through as an upcoming artist.
That was so brave of you, Luyanda. You had to overcome all those challenges all by yourself. Ubeke nje eceleni ukuthi people maybe baba criticize ukuthi hayi since wena uzayoni, they won't relate to that and focus on what God has sent you to do. That was very brave, Luyanda. Thank you so much. Ngicela kubuta ke na ukuthi wena njengoba ukhona, do you write your own songs since phela sivile ukuthi you recorded lapha ka Mother of All Gospel shows, right? So ugile wafika to a point whereby you get to write your own songs njena?
Well, it's something I'm still working on.
Okay.
Because I think, as I've stated, that I'm an upcoming artist.
Okay.
So it's something that I'm still working on, still trying to learn because trust me, it's never really that easy.
Okay.
You see, being part of a music industry taught me that, you see, when you see a minister singing their song and you're like, hey, Lengo Maikom, then just know that those people went through a lot.
Went through a lot.
Like that person went through a lot to write that song. They literally had to pray, they had to fast, they had to do a lot, because you cannot just, put in words and then just sing. You need to pray for that song. Pray that even when I write that song, may people receive the message. May it work on people's life. May it heal them. May it do everything. So I am a person who's still like learning, and yes, I haven't like really written my own song. Yes.
Okay, so kahle awusenga kati palta
Yes,
ingoma.
yes.
So what impact does your music play nje etimpilweni tebamfu? Let me take for instance, njengalo we have issues such as boma GBV and all that. How do you get to balance your music ekuthenini uhilishe those broken souls out there?
Well,
As a female artist, since ukuthi most of the time my females who undergo those situations.
yeah. Well, liqiniso lithi, you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Silala kunje kuvuke kunje.
Okay.
And what I would hope ukuthi my music does at Impilweni Tebantu, kubavusetela, to give them hope ngokuthi even though we live in a world leselangcola, in a world where people bafika in disguise, you bantu bafika utitshele ukuthi bangiloku kanti bangiloku. I would really love ukuthi music wami uqhuqhutele bantu, vusetele ithemba kubantu ukuthi even though timfo titimbi kanjena, there's still God.
Okay.
There's still a truthful God, even though we live in a world where people are fake. Yeah, but just like I think Nyalo nje, we have a story that's out there that's out there. Everyone is like talking about it, where we had a pastor whom we thought was a pastor, but unfortunately he was just a person lobeka sebenzisa leyo mfo to do purposes akhe langcolile and kill people, and that to women, because women are always the victims in these situations. But nje, mostly I would say that yes, yena uphumelele atifihla egameni laSimakathe, but noma kunjalo, there's still God.
There's still God.
I wish that people would understand that kwenda kwemuntu lokho akusi kwenda kwenkosi, kwenda kwemuntu. Unfortunately, he just had to kuthi akwende ngeligama laNkulunkulu. But nje noma kunjalo, there's still God. There's still a truthful God kuko konke lokho.
Thank you so much, Leander. That's because nine female artists nidikanza kungini leni much more vulnerable. Let me take for instance, Jenna, you are preparing to go somewhere go show nyabegisa, and then put this or and so we have figure over like no, you're dictating for me to feature you go show yam. I need this. Nagati I need this. It means that when I do something for him in order for when I go to gain a less slot less or show yake, we are bona go how challenging that is for women. So when again the guy go to utikanda in such a situation whereby Bamfu will need something from you in order for you to utikanda out there.
Yeah, that is true. I've been in that kind of situation.
Okay.
But nje, I think kudlula konke. Impole that has kept me until today, yangangibeki in a situation where I had to sacrifice some to get some.
Okay.
Kukwazi nje kokuthi I am not only doing music, I'm not doing music for fame. The aim is not fame. It is just to worship God.
It is just
so if you can't value me enough to just ask me to be part of your lineup, it's okay. We won't force that.
Okay.
It's okay. I've always had this thing in my mind, kokuthi more than anything, lo yamnikati wale show should honor me enough to ask me to be part of that show. I shouldn't get to a position where I need to sacrifice something
in order for you to get there.
Yes. It is just kudati nje kokuthi at the end of the day, if bekungakameli ukuthi ngiyodrumisa uNkulunkulu kulesa stage, then that is it.
Okay.
I shouldn't force my way it kuze ngifike lapho. And I think for some reason I've never had to fight for anything. Unkulunkulu keeps bringing up these things. Unkulunkulu will always use a person, and then I'll get that phone call. Leander, are you free? for this and that and that. A position where a lot has sacrificed for. Yeah, but Minenje, for some reason, Ngulungulu keeps coming through. He hands over all those things.
Okay.
Yeah, free of charge.
Okay, ngiyabonga Luyanda. Most of the time, kunalemfo yokuthi nasoti khanza ngathi wena you are out there like so uqalile soba recognized as the Luyanda ne. Bese seniyaqala seniyashintsha so shintshile wena akusasiyele Luyanda besimati sekushintshile njena. So bamfu bakuthethe kanjani lemfo leyo wena uti portray kanjani ebamfini njena. And bamfu bakubuke kanjani abakasho ukuthi hayi Luyanda since wena seqalile kuba out there so shintshele sekanjani. How was it njena for you?
Well, I've had to go through that. I've had to go through a lot of explaining myself to people I knew and to people I got to know through music.
Okay.
Because those that I got to know through music, most of them, the mindset, let's say, need valile.
Okay.
Well, I know myself as a person who is shy to approach you, but if you approach me, trust me, you will get the best version of me. So I've had to go through a lot of explaining myself. Oh, when I'm to a point that I need to convince you, no, anko kanjalo,
Okay.
which becomes really hard sometimes. And with the people that I already knew, I had to go through a lot of people asking, Guti, I do not have enough time for them anymore. Manje, I take years to answer their text, even though I would do that even back then, but manje now that people have these things, you would say, hey, phela Luyanda so DJ la but nje, more than anything, I've just had the mindset you would say, hey, I will keep the people who want to be kept in my life. To those who think that I've changed, I'm sorry, but I haven't.
She hasn't changed again. Sentivele, Luyanda is still the very same Luyanda you know. Luyanda, do you mind giving us maybe a line nje of the songs that you already have recorded? Sesive nje ukuthi kahle kahle usiphetheleni.
Okay.
Can
I just sing that song?
No, you can just give us the song.
Any
Song is.
Okay. Agavumanga onyawo lwami lushelele yena agavumanga ke yebo unyawo lwami lushelele.
That is so lovely. It is so sweet. Nami nje sengilogged in kubeke ngabe ngithi asichubeke. Sivele nje sale sesingena kumoya nje one time. Thank you so much Luyanda for that. Were you part of Emma SU committees esikolweni? Do you sing in church? Like uyabacharge yini bona ngoba phela sokucelile lona say artist angithi uyacharge yini le ehlabeleni kwakho ngoba ngivile ukuthi uthe one of the main challenges that you come across ukuthi people expect you to come out there ubukeka umuhle and all that to perform. Esompheni ngabe khona uqalile yini ukuthi soyacala soenda kubacharge since you're an artist?
No. Well, fortunately enough, esompheni ingilangikhulele khona, so
Okay.
they are safe. They remain safe
They
of the
remain safe.
costs. Yeah.
Okay.
And yes, eskolweni I was a very, very, very participating part of ESU committee.
Okay.
And it played a very huge role to the woman I am today, the young woman I am today, because yeah, those services be asakile kakhulu, and yes, I was singing there.
Oh, okay. So it literally shaped you into being the woman that you are today.
Yes.
Okay. Mind nje kusithi nje maybe a line or two of one of the songs phela tezayoni nenje ngisathi izayoni ngicela nje kusiva manje ukuthi siyayishaye kanjani izayoni.
Okay. Wozama singene ebukhone nibe Nkosi. So don't join again. Wozama singene ebukhone nibe Nkosi. Laphinga simulo, laphinga simulo, ibonakale
not really good at this. Kopa why ukufake ukuthi ngikujoin. Anyway, thank you so much, Leander. That was very, very, very nice. That was very nice. Thank you so much for that. Nebabukele emakhaya sebativile ukuthi I have an angel here. E-voice. That was so sweet. Thank you so much, Leander. As we are about to conclude, ngicela kubuta ukuthi, what can you say kubam who are out there who wanna be into the music industry, but labangati ukuthi bende kanjani?
Well, I would say that now we live in a world, in a digital world, manje. Make that video, post that video. I will recommend something that worked for me.
Okay.
So do that video, post that video on any social media platform that you can use. Trust me, there's someone there who will recognize you.
Okay.
It doesn't matter how long it takes, but just do that. And more than anything else, do not focus on fame. Just do it mainly because you just want to praise God and minister to the world, to avoid situations where people feel like, oh, I got used. I am now not singing because they used me. I expected that, but I never got that. Just do it to serve God. It is only God who can reward you for doing his work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kahle uthi babukile noma umuntu lofisako ukujoin the music industry akangangeni lana just because ufuna ifame akakwendele nje ukuthi is just there to praise God.
Amen.
Okay. Thank you so much Leander for that one. Okay, Leander, kucala kwami ngicale ukubona ku launch that we had recently, I launch emanaka whereby lapha kwasukuma bo minister, I mean these big people, marketing officers, like their house was really filled into worship music wako. Everyone was just dancing. It was really nice. Ngicela kwathi ukuthi umuntu angakuthola kanjani njena nakafuna ukubhuka, because we really had an amazing experience. I don't want to lie.
Well, that was such an honor. Trust me, I have saved it for days because I mean it was such an honor to have the whole minister stand up
and
vibe
dancing
to a song that I was singing. But for people who want to get me, to book me, Sitoko Ndabazalwane, you are free to inbox me on my Facebook account, Luyanda Mota. On TikTok, I also go by the name Luyanda Mota, and on those platforms, you will definitely get my number there, where you can just call me and probably talk to me, and we arrange sihambe sikhonde uNkulunkulu.
Okay, thank you so much, Leander. Sesivile ukuthi Leander uyatholakala ko onke ema platforms akhe. Thank you so much for that, Leander. Till we meet again, babukele emakhaya. Thank you.